In this video, we're going to take a look at some different options when you're posting assignments to classes. First thing I like to do, I'm in my stream mode here, I go to classwork. Here's where it has all my assignments that I have so far. There's a button up here that says create. If I click on that, it'll give me a bunch of options. You can go through and look at what type of options those are, but they all do a little bit different things. So if I just click assignment, it will have me title the assignment. So test assignment number 1. I could write down instructions. Again, I can pick if I only want certain kids. If I have like a small group that's reading something and I want them to work on it, I can click and pick on specific students or all students. I can pick what it's out of. If I want it to be out of something, a due date. So if I want to have a due date, I can click on here. Maybe I want to do that time. Put a topic if you want to have a topic. I have some getting to know you. Maybe I'm going to call this one social studies. So if I want to put a document in here, something from my Google Drive, if I click on Drive here, it will bring up all my stuff. So maybe I want all the kids to have this classroom document that I have here. So if I double click on this, it'll insert it in. The nice thing here that Google Classroom has done is it's giving me options. So I can either allow all the students to view this file. If I click here, I can say they can edit it, which is normally a nightmare because they're always doing it at the same time. This was one I really like. It'll make a copy for each student. So once I click that, after I hit assign, it'll actually make them all their personalized copy of this document with their name on it. It'll say like classroom and then their first and last name, or vice versa. But then they'll all have their own document that they can get started on. So that's some of the options on how to create. You can always add other things to your assignments. Sometimes we'll put a video if you want the kids to watch a video, or links for resources or attachments that aren't in Google. You can add those as well. But this is one of my favorite things here is once you add something from your Google Drive, you can make a copy for each student so they all have that. Once I'm done with that, I have my due date, topic, how many points I want it to be out of. I can click assign. It will assign that. And now you can see under social studies right here, test assignment number 1, when it's due. And I can take a look and say here, it's assignments been created. If I click on it here, it'll then give me the information again, what it is. It has the document here that they're going to have. It tells me that 1 has been assigned for the 1 student and none have been turned in so far. So that's how you create an assignment and then also add a document from your drive, and it'll make a copy for all the students in your class.